we're going to be making goop. I can't wait to get started. Let's get all of our ingredients ready.
It's simple. All you need is cornstarch and water. Then simply put about 3 to 5 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch in a bowl, just to start off with. Then add the water slowly, a bit at a time. You'll have to work it through to find the right consistency. Keep trying. Practice makes perfect. Too much water will make it completely liquid, but the perfect amount of water will make it fantastic.